What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Brevo SMTP. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Brevo. After typing, you will see this first official website of Brevo. Click on this website and after clicking, you will be redirected to this page of signing up or login to Brevo. So if you are new to Brevo, just click on sign up free and then sign up for free with your email, password, and other credentials to create your Brevo account. But if you already have a Brevo account, click on this login button and then you will be automatically logged in to Brevo. Now, after signing or logging in, on the right side, as you can see your organization's name, click on this and then click on SMTP and API on the right side. After clicking on the right side at the top, you can see generate a new SMTP key. Click on this option and then name your SMTP key. After that, click on generate and then a new random SMTP key will be generated. You need to make sure to copy it and store it somewhere private so that whenever you need it, you can just copy and paste it from that source. And if you lose this SMTP key, you need to create a new one to replace that lost one. After that, when you have copied it, simply click on OK. And then here you can see this is my demo SMTP key that I just created. So this is how you can set up a Brevo SMTP. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.